Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time seeing my face, hi, my name is Betty. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. So today's video is going to be on this makeup look that you're seeing on your screen. So as you know, it's almost summertime and we have to go for the colorful look. So as you can see, I've already drawn my brows and I'm cleaning up my brows. I have an upcoming brow tutorial coming up next on my channel, so stay tuned for that. Guys, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to clean up my brows, and once I'm done, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend everything and make sure everything is well blended so that I don't leave any trace of unblended concealer, because when you take pictures it's gonna show. So that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm just making sure that everything is well blended using the brush. Alright guys, just a reminder, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Turn on your notification button for more upcoming videos, because guys, I have so many surprises for you guys. You can't even, you just make sure you don't miss out. That's all. Alright guys, the brows is done, and onto my eyelid I'm just using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer to prime my eyes. Yeah, I was just making sure that I have concealer on my eyes, and then I'm using the same Maybelline Fit Me powder, and I'm just setting my eyelid as well because I want everything to be smooth. So next I'm using my Take Me Back to Brazil palette from Cali Bible, and I'm using the green shade, and I'm also gonna go in with the black shade as well. It doesn't have names, so yeah. And I'm making sure to blend that. I'm using that as the green shade as my transitioning color, and I'm also gonna go in with a black shade, because if I add the black shade it's gonna give me like a smoky and also a deep green effect, because I wasn't having the deep green color that I wanted. So I used the black and the lemon green, and it gave me the exact smoky look that I'm going for, and it also gave me the green, deep green color that I was also going for. Next, I'm using my Urban Decay eye primer to cut my crease. When cutting my crease, I have a very extreme hooded eyes, so this is a very good tip for you guys. If you have extreme hooded eyes, make sure to cut your crease downwards and then you take it upwards. Don't just go straight ahead, straight to the point. Just cut it downwards, take your time, and then you take it upwards, and then when you find that it's giving you the shape that you're looking for, you just cut it up from there. So yes, that is exactly what I did, and I like how the cut crease came out. It was very clean, it looked clean to me. Yeah, so I like how it came out. Onto the cut crease, I'm using my green eyeshadow that I got from Amazon. Guys, this eyeshadow is everything. It's so pigmented. I really do love it. It just, it's very hard to use because it has a lot of fallouts, but apart from that, I really do love it. So I'm going to use the same eyeshadow, the yellow color from the same eyeshadow, the same brand, and I'm gonna use that on my inner corner upwards a little bit. So yeah, I love the eyeshadow. I love how it came out, so cute. On top of the eyeshadow, it came with some glitter that I did use on top of the yellow eyeshadow. So yes, guys, I'm also drawing my ring liner by using an eyeliner that I got from Amazon as well. I'm going to do a review on this eyeliner because guys, this eyeliner is very easy to use on hooded eyes. So I'm gonna do a review on this eyeliner because I love it. So yes. So guys, I went ahead and applied my eyelashes off camera. So right now we're done with the eyes, and I'm just applying my foundation, and the foundation that I'm using is Maybelline Fit Me foundation, one of my favorite drugstore foundation. I love it. Whenever I'm filming a video, I use this foundation, and I'm also using my LA Girl Pro HD conceal. I'm using the color Warm Honey, and I'm highlighting my forehead, my chin, my nose, my, the places that needs to be highlighted. And I'm also gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty matchstick, and I'm just gonna contour my face. And then after that, I'm gonna make sure that I blend everything, make sure everything is well blended. For some reason, I have been loving the use of makeup brushes. I find out that this makes it so much easier, so I do use the makeup brushes to blend my concealer and my contoured places. And then after that, I use my beauty blender to give me the smooth airbrush effect that I want. Next, I'm applying my foundation powder from the Maybelline Fit Me cosmetic line, and I really do love this powder. I just recently started using this powder. I love it so much. I use that to highlight my face, and I don't, I just apply that on top of my highlighted places. These days I don't really bake. Before I used to use Sacha Buttercup powder, but these days when I use the Maybelline Fit Me powder, I feel like it's okay for me, so I don't really go in too much. And then right now what I'm using is I'm using a foundation powder from my Naked palette, and the powder shade that I'm using is much similar to my skin tone, so it's gonna tone down the white areas, that it's gonna tone down everything, the highlighted areas. And I'm making sure that my face is well contoured because I'm pregnant. My face has bloated a lot. I have big face now, so yeah. So right now I'm using my white pencil. I got this pencil from Amazon. It's very very cheap and very very affordable. I love it. I've been using it for a while. I'm using that on my waterline, and I'm also going in with the green eyeshadow, and then I'm gonna add the black eyeshadow as well, just making sure that I got the smoky effect that I got on my crease area, my transitioning area. So yes. Onto my lower lashes, I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me mascara, and I'm just gonna define my lower lashes. Guys, this video is not sponsored by Maybelline Fit Me. I happen to love most of their products, so yes. So right now I'm using my pencil. This pencil is an old pencil of mine, so I don't even remember the exact name of this pencil. And yeah, I'm just defining my lower and my upper lips. I'm just drawing my lips. I'm also gonna go in with my Melanin lip cream, and I'm gonna use that in the middle. The color that I'm using is Adorable. And I'm also gonna go in with my concealer because I was trying to see if I can achieve a different type of lips. For some reason I was so tired and bored at the same lip color that I've got getting. So doing this, it gave me some kind of different look, and I loved it. So yeah. Set my face, I'm using my ColourPop All Star setting spray, and I'm just gonna set my face. And then on top of my lips, I'm gonna use my Stay Glossy lip gloss, and I'm just gonna make my lips glossy. So yes, I'm almost done with this look. Yeah, I'm just gonna use my highlighter. I wasn't really feeling highlighter for this look, but somehow somewhere I just happen to use it. So yes guys, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to this video, and also make sure to turn on the notification button for more upcoming videos, as I said earlier on. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay blessed, stay safe, bye.